How to activate Windows 11 with a product key. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and then type Settings. After it appears, launch it. Now at the left corner, you're gonna find this Option System. Click on that. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Activation. If your copy of Windows is already activated, you'll see a confirmation message here. If it's not activated, you'll see an option to enter your product key. Click on Change. Now enter your 25-character Windows 11 product key. Then click Next and follow the prompts to activate. This product key usually comes with a purchase confirmation email, retail box, or a digital license. If you don't have a key yet, no problem. Open a browser and search for by Windows 11 Home, where the different website links will appear. Look for the official Microsoft Store link, click it and follow the steps to purchase a license. After payment, your product key will be emailed to you. You can then enter it using the method we just covered, and that's it. Now you know exactly how to activate Windows 11 using a product key. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.